Hey, Dragon Farm, whatever. You're the first one to comment my videos, and you wanted to know how to make it so bad. So I am going to make a video for you. You need 6 of these green ones, kind of different color than the red ones. And you need 17 of these and 3 of these black ones and 1 of these orange ones. See, you can see that. And 1 of the short black ones. And then 2 of these. And now I'll show you how to make it. Here's a closer look if you want. You can really see it. Okay, this isn't one of those yellow ones of these kind. It's not one of those. It's one of these except the yellow color. And then just build them up. First put 1 of these black ones on. Then put 2 of these green ones on, these. And you have to take 2 of these and put them on. And put the 2s on, like this. And then put the the orange one in here, but on the other side. And put the black one on. And then put the rest of the green ones on. See? You can see these are the green ones. Then this is another green one. Then put 2 of these on. Then you're finished with this section. Then just take 2. You need 2 of these. 2 of the short ones, but not the really short ones. Then take 2 of the orange ones, silver, doesn't matter what color they are, or black. The long ones. Then take 4 of these. Then put these on. Put 2 of these ones on right here. See, on the 2 ones again. Then do it again to the second one. Take these, put them on. See? Take the other one, put it on here too, on the other side. And take the other side too, and put it in exactly like this side. See? Doesn't matter what kind. Then do exactly the same thing to this. And exactly the same thing on the other side. Let's do exactly the same thing over and over again. And take this, put it on. See? on a twos. See how I put it on a twos? Okay, sorry that you can't really see that. Just too close because you do exactly the same thing. Then take these, put them on here. Just a second. Just a second. Just group on it. Okay. And take these, put them on. Just a second. Okay, put them on like this. Exactly on the twos again. Every single one twos. Then take this one, this section, and then see the one that you built, and then put it on the silver ones. Just see if you can see that. Just a sec. And there you go. Just a sec. Just put the rubber band on. And there you have it. It's a compound bow. You can watch it on my video, my first one of it. What you seen and you posted the comment, please, instructions, please, and please comment me. And that is all for today.